The rose-ringed parakeet, also known as the ring-necked parakeet, is a gregarious tropical Afro-Asian parakeet species that has an extremely large range. The rose-ringed parakeet is sexually dimorphic. The rose-ringed parakeet, also known as the ring-necked parakeet, is a medium-sized parrot in the genus Psittacula. The yellow ringneck parrot is a popular color mutation of the Indian ringneck parakeet, Psittacula crameri manalensis. Here's some information about them. Appearance. Indian ringneck parakeets are typically green, but selective breeding has led to various color mutations, including yellow, lutino, blue, turquoise, white, and albino. They are medium-sized parrots, generally 38 to 42 centimeters, 15 to 16.5 inches, in length from head to tail. Adult males develop a distinctive black ring around their neck, while females have a more indistinct or emerald-colored band. Males develop this ring around 2 to 3 years of age. Lifespan. In captivity, Indian ringneck parrots can live a long time, typically 20 to 30 years with proper care. Some have been known to live